You are matching with our poster.
Yes, am I merging with the background? I don't know.
Yeah, with
I
the
I
Jio
think-
Cinema logo also.
I love it. I love
Thank
it.
you. No,
Thank
no.
you for
and
promoting
you
our
guys
film.
are kind of twinning.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, it was just
Wasn't it
Coincidental?
I think we're telepathic in that sense.
telepathic in that sense.
I found her to be very, very, very sweet. और मुझे लगा ये तो fake ही होगी. इतनी fake, इतना sweet कौन होता है?
ये बहुत लोगों को लगता है
हाँ.
ऐसा क्यों होता है?
But then I was like कि अच्छा ये पर्दा ना 2 दिन के अंदर फाश होगा.
Love is, like everyone says, unconditional, and you cannot define it. Like he said, it's comfort, it's silence, it's companionship, it's being who you are, even when you're with another person, and respecting and wanting to see each other grow. It's a companionship.
Hello everyone, welcome to News 18 and today we have with us Team I Love You.
Yes.
Rakul and Pavel.
Hi.
How are
Hi.
you?
Very good. How are you?
All good. So I watched the trailer.
You are matching with our poster.
Yes, am I
Yes.
merging with the background? I don't
No,
know.
Yeah, with
I
the
th- I
Jio
think-
Cinema logo also.
I love it. I love
Thank
it.
you. No,
Thank
no.
you for
and
promoting
you
our
guys
film.
are kind of twinning.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, it was just
Wasn't it
Coincidental?
I think we're telepathic in that sense.
telepathic in that sense.
Okay. No, so I have watched the trailer and then I rewatched it and then I rewatched it for the third time because मुझे लग रहा था and in a good way, okay?
एक बार में
Because
समझ में नहीं आया क्या?
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है, मुझे पता
इतना
लगा
confusing तो नहीं
देखने
था।
का मन किया हमें।
अच्छा, okay.
कौन
We were
किसको
looking for
मार
good.
रहा है, मुझे वो जानना था।
कौन
उसके
किसको
लिए आप
मार रहा
फिल्म
है?
देखो, 16 जून को रिलीज हो रही है जियो सिनेमा पे।
कौन किसको मार रहा है? हम तो प्यार कर रहे थे यार.
Please, we saw those daggers and all.
Yeah, so you'll need to see the film on 16th of
Yes,
June.
yes. No, we'll wait for that. I'm not going to ask you who's the killer
Yes.
and all. But ये बताइए कि what was your first impression of each other before you actually met?
So I तो knew of Rakul for a long. I mean, she's a star, so of course I knew Rakul. Of Rakul, I hadn't met her ever, and but I had friends who are friends with her.
Yes.
Because Tapsi was friends
Yeah,
with her.
Tapsi's common friend.
So and. But I found her to be very, very, very sweet. और मुझे लगा ये तो fake ही होगी. इतनी fake, इतना sweet कौन होता है?
ये बहुत लोगों को लगता है
हाँ.
ऐसा क्यों होता है?
But then I was like, अच्छा ये पर्दा ना 2 दिन के अंदर फाश होगा. You know how long can you continue being that sweet? But she's actually very lovely, yeah.
Oh, so sweet.
She's very sweet and she's very kind and very, very hardest worker in the room. And
thank you.
because I'm very lazy in terms of I mean compared to her, anyone will be lazy. But she is very into cutlet होता है ना वो.
I'm an enthu cutlet. Actually, yeah, that's the word.
So yeah, but I have had luckily I got a great friend.
Oh,
because of
thank
this
that's
film.
you.
sweet.
Yeah, that's sweet.
What was your impression?
मुझे भी अच्छी चीजें बोलनी पड़ेगी।
अब तो बोलनी पड़ेगी. इतनी ज़्यादा तारीफ कर दी
अब
मैंने.
तो because you've called me sweet, I have to be sweet also. The
इस फिल्म
cameras
का
are running.
10% रकुल का मुझे मिलना चाहिए.
No, I think, of course, I knew of Pavel. I'd watched Thappad, and I think he was fantastic. And when we decided, I think I had come on board for the film before Pavel.
Okay.
And when they said Pavel, I was like, yeah, I think this is a great actor that we need for this film. And then when I met him, I realized that he's also somebody who's very, of course, has had a very different journey, a journey filled with doing so many things and trying to make his space. And someone who truly understands cinema, someone who's very honest with his craft, someone who's ready to listen and push boundaries, and it's very, very good to have a co-star like that, because then you can create moments like we could discuss. We had that comfort of saying कि अच्छा तू ये कर रहा है मैं ये करती हूँ, अच्छा maybe let's try it this way, let's try so we had that comfort, I feel, on set, and I think that comes from the fact that he's just so honest with the work that he does.
That's right.
So sweet, यार रकुल. See, that's why I was saying how sweet is she.
मुझे पैसे मिल गए बाहर
admiration
बोलने के
किसने
लिए.
दिए?
Yeah, we have to be like love you, that vibe, na? So we have to be
got it,
nice to
got
each
it.
other.
Yeah.
ठीक है. चलो, but correct me if I'm wrong. Are you both from Delhi?
I'm an Indian, yaar. मुझे समझ नहीं आता.
Oh.
No, but I've started.
Were you
listen,
like
excuse
born
me.
and brought up in Delhi?
No, I'm brought
Okay.
up in like
हाँ,
10
she's an army
schools.
brat, no?
Yeah, I'm an army
Oh,
kid.
yeah.
That's why I said I'm an Indian. Like, I don't know where I'm from. I've changed 10 schools. Now, what do I say where am I from?
ठीक है.
My parents are from Delhi. I've done my high school and college in Delhi. But
Yes,
now I've
yeah,
lived in
yeah.
Bombay more than I've lived in Delhi.
No, that's right. No, what I was coming to is you are from Delhi, right?
Yes.
I
Is
think
that
that's-
something like you bonded on?
Not really. I think
Not
we
really.
bonded on cinema.
Okay.
Yeah,
On-
we didn't talk about ये खाती तो कुछ है नहीं. मतलब
she's
she's
just
always
very
healthy
healthy
food and all of that.
But
So
I
we
eat
couldn't.
a lot of healthy food.
That is what I'm saying, na? Only
Yeah.
healthy food. So I can't even talk to her about अच्छा ये दिल्ली में ये वाला restaurant, which is the favorite restaurant, ये
बॉम्बे
बोलेगी.
में पूछ लो।
यहाँ पे salad मिलता है, वही खाएगी.
नहीं. Excuse me. I told you, salad is not healthy. I do like gourmet healthy, you know. Anyway, like that needs to be a completely different interview.
Yes.
To explain about
Okay.
Yeah,
that.
so I don't think Delhi was our. Yeah, I think we just एक तो वो workshops that we did. I think that was the bonding experience that we had with Atul Mongia, and because both of us were tired of the workshop.
No, I loved it.
Yeah, you loved it, but by the
I
end of
didn't say
it,
मुझे घर जाना है.
I said मुझे घर जाना है.
He said बस हो गया मेरा. No, because Atul sir's workshops were very overwhelming.
Intense.
They were
he's
intense.
absolutely phenomenal, but they are intense.
And which is good. We needed
Yeah.
that for the role.
That's
we
right.
needed to, we didn't have to act. We had to feel every emotion for this film. And he was really poking us where it hurt the most. He was really poking us to take out our real emotion,
That's
to
right.
really feel vulnerable.
Right.
So there was this one day where Pavel was like,
I'm
I
done.
can't do this. Like he was too overwhelmed and said, I can't do this. And there was a day where even like, you know, you yourself feel like that. It was heavy. Every time we went back home after kitna 5-6 ghanta every day. And then we'd go back home and feel drained.
Yeah, I couldn't
remember
get
this
out of
one
bed.
day-
Physically, it was because of so many emotions.
sure
Physically, I was
emotionally
feeling
too,
drained.
right?
Yes, of course,
Yeah.
emotionally.
Emotional
So I
only.
remember this one day, as soon as I walked out, I called my friends and I said, guys, I need to see you all today. Like, you know, I just need to just laugh. I need to like just forget that we had such a heavy session. I think it was the same day that you said, I'm
Mine
done.
was the opposite. Friends called me, ऐसा मुझे किसी से नहीं मिलना है.
I like that distraction.
Yeah.
I like, and not distraction. I think it's nice to share a few laughs, and I'm that person. I'm a very people's person. So yeah, I called them. I said, I'm not listening. Who's free? Who's not free? I need you all today. So they were all there trying
Yeah.
to, you know, like be normal and yeah. So I think that was a great bonding between us. And then by then the ice was broken after
Yeah,
the
yeah.
workshops. So we used to really bond on 90s music and 90s films
Yeah.
and romantic films and Shah Rukh Sir films, you know, all the 90s era basically.
Yeah. So it's titled I Love You. Tell me individually, what's your take on love? How would you define love?
For me, it is sitting in a room together and not talking, but just knowing that that person is there. I think that
The comfort of silence.
Yeah, I think that is love for me. Without, I mean, you don't have to say or touch or do anything. It's just the comfort of somebody being present in that room or that space with you. I think that is love for me.
Yeah. I think you can never coin it in a few, you know, sentences or words. I think love is, like everyone says, unconditional, and you cannot define it. Like he said, it's comfort, it's silence, it's companionship, it's being who you are, even when you're with another person, and respecting and wanting to see each other grow. It's a companionship.
That's right.
You know, more than anything else. And I feel that love as a word today is just so misused. And people think that when you say you love someone, you want them to do what you want them to do, as opposed to let them flourish.
True.
So I think love allows you to flourish. Love allows you to be the best version of yourself. And it's truly a beautiful companionship.
Yeah. So what's the biggest deal breaker in love for the two of you?
I think for me, it's about it's lying.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, I think for me, because I don't think there's anything in a relationship that can't be spoken about. And if you're friends at that basic level, and I believe in that sort of a relationship where you should be able to, even if you've made a mistake, come and tell. We're humans, we can make mistakes. But lying and covering up those lies and trying to act dodgy, I think that for me, like emotional cheating, is a complete
No.
Yeah, it's a deal breaker.
Yeah.
Deal breaker? I don't know, yaar. When you're in love, you know, push your boundaries a lot. What you think, what your pre-decided notions of what a relationship should be are, I think they go down the drain, at least for me, once you start, when you are in a relationship for that matter, because I tend to push myself a lot or your partner a lot in that sense. But I genuinely don't know. It really depends on the situation you're dealt with. क्योंकि I think मुझे लगता है कि इश्क और प्यार में बहुत difference होता है.
बहुत difference.
तो I think प्यार में बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं जो आप छोड़ देते हो, जो deal breakers इश्क में होते हैं, वो प्यार में नहीं होते हैं.
वाह,
so
क्या
I think,
बात बोली है. ये देखो, ये होता है प्यार.
वाह.
या इश्क.
या इश्क, या मोहब्बत. कितने शब्द है ना.
या love.
या love.
Yeah. Okay, so tell me something. So in this, post-pandemic era, especially when there's a lot of content coming out every week, be it theatrically
हमारा
or
best है.
digitally.
हमारा बेस्ट है.
हाँ, but मेरा सवाल कुछ और है.
अच्छा.
हाँ, तो when there's a lot of content, there's what today to you as actors is the biggest challenge? How do you stand out?
That don't work to stand out. Work because you love the script. It will automatically. वो बोलते हैं ना, कर्म किए जा फल की इच्छा मत कर. I think if your aim is that I have to stand out and you're looking at competition that way, your energy is in the wrong place.
That's right.
I think you go with your gut, you believe in a script and you give it your all, it'll always find its audience sooner or later, And I think life is a very long journey as opposed to looking for instantaneous appreciation or successes. So I think if you just do the work that you like, you will navigate your way and people will notice you for it.
It's very interesting what you said, this instant gratification,
Yes.
appreciation. I mean, social media gives you that,
Yes.
right? Reviews are so quick.
Yeah.
अच्छा है कि बुरा है. Do you think social media is a boon or a bane then?
It's a little bit of both. I feel.
I'm not a social media
Exactly,
savvy
yeah.
person, so
Neither am I. Like I'm not savvy, but I'm savvy because I have to be. If I wasn't an actor, I don't think I'd be on social media. But I am on social media because
you have to be.
You have to be. You have to, your brands, and of course, a great platform to.
But you're
connect
very
with
good with social media also. Yeah. Like there is that inherent quality when I look at your Instagram. There is that.
It's very basic if you look at it.
But it's
I like
also
it.
very effortless, Rakul.
Yes, it is effortless because it's I handle it myself.
Okay.
I don't have a team handling it. So I do what I feel like. I put clumsy pictures, I put dressed up pictures. But I feel that you have to put out the real version of yourself because when so many people are following you, you cannot set standards which are not real. That's my belief, which is why I try to keep it as who I am as much as I can. But having said that, of course, it's a bane also in many ways because people forget that we're also humans. People forget that actors have emotions sometimes and it can get nasty. But I've learned over the course to not even read the comments. I put out what I do me and I put out whatever I want to put out. And if you want to go through it, go through it. Otherwise, it's cool. I don't have space in my life to let that affect me.
Yeah.
I mean, I wouldn't miss it. That's my only answer. If it shuts down tomorrow, I won't miss it. Like it's fine.
I think there should be like a weekend off for social media.
Yeah.
Or maybe have it on weekend and weekdays off.
But you can always go for digital detoxification.
Yeah, but then it's tough now. What I mean to say is then suddenly a brand says you have to post or if you're promotions.
I'm on detoxification only. I only come on Instagram for a little while.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Yeah, but I don't keep surfing Instagram. No, I don't.
But people who like it, it's good. I mean, it's to each their own,
I feel I think the bad part also is, not bad, but the sad part is that, like you spoke about gratification, a lot of youngsters today are driving their identity from social media.
Right.
They feel that if they're liked or appreciated, it's their validation. It's their existence is validated.
Yeah.
And I feel that's so wrong. And one day, in fact, very recently, I was asking a friend of mine, I said, ये आजकल के बच्चों को पता है कि खो-खो क्या होता है, पिट्ठू क्या होता है, मारम पिट्टी क्या होती है? Do they know?
Girl, तुम मारम पिट्टी खेलती थी?
हाँ, मैं तो सब खेलती थी.
I thought that was just a boys.
Yeah, but I was a tomboy all my life. So I still am. I'll still play Maram Pitti. Why not?
Maram Pitti is also a very Delhi thing, by the way.
Yeah,
it doesn't. मैंने बॉम्बे में एक बार बोला था Maram Pitti खेलने के पता ही नहीं होता क्या होता है.
Yeah. So what I mean to say is that innocence, which is so camouflaged today because of social media, I feel sad for that. I think there should be an age that below that.
That's right.
Yeah, below 16 don't.
But I think there is an age thing, na?
But there are kids who are 8-10-year-olds who are on social media. I think parents also put their accounts, na? I feel that parents
I think
are also...
Aadhaar card should be linked to Instagram account.
Wow,
give more
lovely.
data out.
No, so that at least whoever's posting should be. कोई गाली भी देगा तो पता लगना चाहिए ना किससे आ रही है. नहीं तो सारे कुछ भी अकाउंट्स बन जाते हैं पीछे छुप के
But
कोई भी
you're
गाली
right,
दे
even
सकता है.
parents try and monetize.
Parents monetize on their kids. I think that's really wrong because the innocence of the kids is lost.
True.
Yeah, you know, that innocence is lost. An 8-year-old is talking like an adult, and I'm like, no.
Yeah, no. Well, on that, thoughtful note, thank you so much.
Thank
I wish
you.
we had more time.
But coming to the point, please
Yes.
watch I Love You. It's releasing
Yes.
on 16th on Jio Cinemas, and we have said openly I love you, and we are hoping that you say I love you back to us.
Yeah, please watch it and please tell us how you feel about it. Thank you.
No, just say love you, love you, love you.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.